Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I've got a brand new truly wireless earphones to show you all. Now these are special TWS earbuds as they support Bluetooth V 5.0 and also Qualcomm's aptX audio technology. aptX audio codec allows you to experience CD-like lossless quality audio with very minimum latency over Bluetooth. That is awesome, right? These TWS earbuds are made by One More and the model is called Stylish Truly Wireless In-Ear Headphones. So as you can see, these earbuds have also won the IF Design Award 2019 and come with some really nice specs. Their Bluetooth V 5.0 offer up to 24 hours of battery life, support multiple pairing modes, Qualcomm's aptX audio codec, and also have DSP based environment noise cancellation for crystal clear communication while talking over phone calls. So those were some of its highlights. Let's see what's written at the backside. Okay, you've got the same features written over here as well, and below that you've got the specs of the product. Let me show them to you. They're super lightweight Bluetooth 5.0 earbuds, each of them weighs only around 6.2 grams and the charging case weighs about 40.4 grams. Below that you've got the battery details. The case comes with a 410 mAh battery and each of the earbuds have 55 mAh battery capacity. That's it, those are all the specs. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this out of packaging. I want to thank One More for sending me this product for review. There we go. This is how the box packing looks like. The box looks very nice, just as expected from One More. The company never compromises on the quality of the packaging. So the box opens up like this and whoa guys, check it out! We've got a lot of artistic drawings on the left side that tell about the design of these earbuds. If you guys are interested, you can just pause the video and read that. And on the right side, we've got the new TWS earbuds from the company. So let me just open this up and take the buds out of the box. So here are the earbuds, and along with that you also have another mini box, must be for the accessories. So here are the stylish TWS earbuds from One More. And oh, what's this? We've got one more box over here. So that's it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now before we check out the actual product, let's see what do we have in these accessory boxes. You get a packet of extra ear tips in different sizes. There's also a packet of extra ear hooks in different sizes, a regular USB cable for charging purpose. They also give you a free carry case in the box. The quality of the pouch is good, you've got the One More branding on the front and has a nice translucent design in grey color. And in the other box you've got a lot of paperwork which includes a warranty card, One More bare sticker, a user manual and a product catalog. Just make sure to read them for all the details. So that's it, these are all the items we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the product. You get a charging case as well as two wireless earbuds. These stylish earbuds come in 4 different colors. We've got the standard black color variant. Let me just take them out and show you. So here they are, the One More stylish truly wireless earbuds. Wow, they look very tiny and have a premium looking design. They've got a sleek matte metallic finish with the new NCVM color coding process for zero signal interference. You've got One More branding on both of them and a status LED indicator just beside that. The build quality of the product is top notch and also have a multi-function button on both of them. Talking about the ear tips, they've got soft silicone ear tips along with the O-shaped hook to offer better grip while wearing. We even have the left and right indications and charging contacts just below the ear tips. I really like the design of these earbuds, plus they're also super lightweight, each of them weighs only around 6.2 grams. Alright, so that was a look at the stylish TWS earbuds. Now let me show you the charging case. So here it is, let me just remove this cover. There you go. So the charging case has an oval egg-shaped design with the One More branding at the top and has a nice matte black finish all over it. The build quality is pretty good, it's entirely made of plastic and feels very lightweight in the hand, weighs only around 40 grams. So on the bottom side you've got the One More branding, there's a micro USB port at the back for charging purpose and has a button on the front to open up the case. You just need to press it like this and it's got a spring type mechanism that automatically opens up the case. Let me show you again. So it pops up like this. Pretty cool, right? I can keep doing that all day. So this is how the inside looks like. You only have 2 slots to place the earbuds. Let me just put them in and show you. These are magnetic earbuds guys, so as soon as you bring them close, they automatically get connected in the case and start charging. Well, that was our detailed overview on the design and the build quality. Now let me just put them on and talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The One More stylish truly wireless earbuds have a 45-degree oblique angle design that fit perfectly in my ears. They're super lightweight and feel quite comfortable for long time usage, and the noise isolation was okay. Coming to the audio quality was amazing for the price. Like seriously guys, I was pretty impressed by the sound. These earbuds have a 7mm titanium composite dynamic driver and we're doing an excellent job. The mids were crisp and clear, the vocals felt warm and mellow, and I could clearly hear all the dialogues. The high frequency response was also very nice without any harshness. It was producing silky smooth treble. And talking about the bass was also really good. It had that nice punchy bass. On the overall, I was very satisfied with the audio. The THD was also very less even at max volumes, and the audio output was also loud and satisfactory. To be honest, these are one of the best sounding TWS earbuds I've seen in this price category. And yes, they do have a MEMS microphone, that too with DSP environment noise cancellation, and I felt the mic quality was decent during call conversations. Now let me tell you about the battery life. The battery life was excellent on these earbuds. On an average use at 60% volume level, you'll easily get around 5 to 5.5 hours of battery life on a single charge. But I've told you that the charging case also has a built-in 410 mAh battery, right? So combined with the case, the total continuous working time is around 17 to 18 hours, which is pretty amazing. Plus, these earbuds also support fast charging. The company says that a 15-minute charge can offer you up to 3 hours of usage. So that was my review on one more new stylish truly wireless earbuds. They're awesome TWS earbuds for the price. The build quality is good, they're quite comfortable, the audio quality is amazing, and the battery life is also excellent. The only thing I felt was the noise isolation could have been improved, and also if the price was a little bit less, that would have been awesome. They cost around 6,999 rupees. I'll just leave a link to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.